Hello, friends. In our last lecture, we have studied in the marketing, that is VC second, the different kinds of the markets, and it is classified on some basis, on some logics. Okay, like the classification of the markets as per the geographical areas, then the regulating authority, etc., etc. In last lecture, I told you that in this concept of classification of market, two types of markets are very important, regularly asked and appeared in your board examination for short notes or short answer for 2 marks, but we don't have to miss that 2 mark because it's easy to grab. Thus the next types of market is buyer's market. You are just watching on the board as a congestion, I can understand, but buyer's market we have to continue in that buyer's market. And further and last is a seller's market. What do you mean by the buyer's market, and what is the base we call as a buyer's market? So let's understand buyer's market. It's a kind of situation when there is more supply of the goods and the commodities of any product, any line of the goods, and at the same times the demand is a less or low. That time, now it is a choice of the buyers, because there is a ample of the supplies available in the market of that particular line of the product. Thus in that situation we call as there is a buyer's market where the demand comparatively to the supply is a least and low. Buyer plays very important role. He enjoy the position of king and sellers like a slaves in that market. Thus we call as that situation, that market is a buyer's market. Now contrary to the seller's market, now contrary to sellers, opposite situation in the seller's market, when demand is more to any particular line of the product or commodity, and at the same time comparatively the supply is less or low, that time in that situation seller enjoy the position of king and buyer he is a slave. That means in that market seller controls entire marketing activity but not a buyers. So these are very important short notes asked for 2 marks many times in your board examination. Okay, here our different kinds of the markets is over. In next lecture let's see the concept of marketing. See, my dear friends and students, I am making a shorter video clip so that it will faster upload and you will see regularly.